Welcome to Embroidery. Hi friend, today I'm sharing how to embroider bullion stitch. The bullion stitch is not a stitch for beginners, but it is usually used in embroidery. That's why today I'm going to share about bullion stitch. And now this is how to make a bullion stitch. First, bring the needle up from the underside of the fabric. Bring the needle down the desired distance. Then, return the needle to original positions. Don't pull out on the needles. Just put the needle like this. Wrap the thread around the needles, almost like wrapping the thread in a French knot. Now, one hand holds the thread loose on the needle. The other hand pulls the needle. If you feel it's difficult to pull the threads, loosen the thread loose a bit. It will make it easier to pull. However, it will take time to reset the loops later. After pulling the needle through the loops, adjust the thread loops. They will look better, like this. Now bring the needle down here. That's the bullion stitch completed. There is also one more way. If you feel the first way too difficult to do, then you can do the following way. I believe it will be much easier. Start by bring the needle up from the underside of the fabric. Then bring the needle down a distance and bring the needle back up to the first position. Don't pull the needle on up. Let the needle like this and just start wrapping the thread around the needle. Then also pull the needle through the loops as I just instructed. Hold the thread loops. This way, they will look better. After pulling the needle through on the loop, adjust the loops. Adjust until you are satisfied. Then secure the embroidery stick at here. Done. If you still feel it's difficult to pull, loosen your hand a bit or roll the needle a little bit. Adjust the loops. This is the step that takes the most time. The bullion stitch has a little bit of practice and hand coordination. But once you get the hang of it, it's a lot of fun. It adds lovely texture to your embroidery project and can be used to create cute floral and decorative elements. Don't feel bad if it doesn't work out the first time, because this stitch is really hard for beginner. The boolean stitch does take a few times to get it down, so just try again. And don't be discouraged if you still can't do it or the embroidery isn't ready, because I'm still here. I'm also a beginner and embroider just like you. Let's try again with me. I'm using the boolean stitch to embroider a branch of flower. I think it seems like neem flower. Do you think like me? Please write a comment to Funny. And don't forget to give me a like if you feel this video useful. Now, I continue to embroider the remaining details to complete the flower branch. If you are interested, please take a few minutes to watch the video. Thank you.